Hi family, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. It's your sister Zainab if you're new to my channel, and for my returning, welcome back. Today we are making this delicious chicken pie. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you find it helpful, make sure you share with family and friends. Now let's prepare the dough. So in a bowl, add 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, mix, and we're going to add 250 grams of butter. Mix it together until it's scrumbly. So this is how the flour should look like, guys, as you can see. So next we are adding cold water, about half cup of water. We don't want too much water because we don't want that soft dough. Yeah, we just have to mix it until the flour comes together. And then I'm going to sprinkle some flour in the working surface, transfer my dough in the working surface. I'm going to press it and make a square shape. Next I'm going to divide the dough into equal parts and wrap it together. I'm going to wrap it separate, and I'm going to keep in the refrigerator and leave it for 1 hour before next step. In the meanwhile, we're going to prepare the filling. We need boneless chicken, 300 gram in the pot, and we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt. Gonna add chicken spicy, a tablespoon. Add some water. Add 1 onion. This is one medium onion, and then we're gonna cover and let it boil for 15 minutes. 15 minutes have passed. Now I'm going to strain the chicken, and then I'm going to let it cool down completely before blending. Make sure you don't draw the water because we'll need it later. In other pot, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add chopped onion. This is a half of medium onion, and fry for 2 minutes. Add ginger and garlic paste, 2 teaspoons. I'm going to fry for another 1 minute and add the chicken. So this is the chicken. We should blend it with the mixer. Mix. Now we're going to add the vegetables, starting with 1 cup of cabbage, 1 cup of grated carrots, half cup of green peas. We're gonna mix it together, fry just for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're going to add the chicken broth, which we strained it earlier. Now we're going to add some salt, chicken spice, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of plain flour. Mix it and cook for 5 minutes until there's no so much water. So this is how it should look like. As you can see, we don't have so much water. Now we're going to set aside and let it cool down as we are preparing the pie pastry. So I'm going to divide the dough in small portion, and make sure which dough you are not using, just keep it in the fridge. This is the sizes we need, not too big, not too small. Now we're going to dip in the dry flour, flatten into square shapes. We have already a square shape, but I need to make it more neat, so I'm cutting the edges. done. Now we're going to add the filling and fold it. To seal the edges, we'll need the fork. So I dip the fork in the dry flour so that doesn't stick on the pastry. And when we're done, we're going to cut the excess dough which is out of line to make our pie more presentable and beautiful. Voila, so we're done. Now we'll need beat one egg and apply on your pies and bake in 180 degree for 25 minutes. And here's our pie ready. Look how beautiful they look. They're so crispy. I love how they came out. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in my next upload. Allah Hafiz. Bye.